The MonTech FT3000 fatigue tester provides laboratories with a dynamic and versatile method of testing tension fatigue and DeMattia properties of elastomeric materials. These two experiments utilize cyclic loading conditions to predict the lifetime performance of a rubber formulation and ensure it meets durability requirements. Tension fatigue estimates the stiffness change in the permanent set of a rubber material or breakage through cyclic stress relaxation. The second test mode, DeMattia testing, cyclically flexes a test specimen to instigate crack formation or measure the rate of crack growth. The FT3000 uses a linear electric drive motor system to repeatedly stretch or flex up to 16 samples inside of its environmentally controlled thermal chamber. The stainless steel grips for tension fatigue or DeMattia are quickly interchangeable, allowing users to easily switch between test types. The thermally protected environmental chamber uses a heating and cooling system with forced ventilation capable of reaching temperatures ranging from -40°C to 180°C, covering almost all application environments that materials may be exposed to. The instrument is designed with safety in mind, utilizing a closed chamber and automated stop functions. The FT3000 is designed in accordance with ISO, ASTM, and DIN standards. Whether running fatigue to failure or DeMattia tests, operating the FT3000 is easy. The control panel on the face of the thermal chamber is the primary interface for setting up test programs. Here, users may set parameters for each test method. This includes cycle count, frequency, piston offset, cycle pauses, hold positions, waveform type, stroke positive and negative displacement, temperature values, and more. First, let's run a fatigue test. With the fatigue testing fixture attached, insert the prepared cured rubber sample into the specimen holder. Next, select the test parameters using the control panel or software. Ensure the software is ready to record results and then press start. The FT will perform the test as programmed. Tension fatigue properties are determined by recording the number of cycles required for sample failure. Optional break sensors can be installed to determine the exact cycle where sample breakage occurs. Performing a DeMattia test is very similar. Once again, attach the fixtures for running DeMattia test specimens. Depending on the type of DeMattia test, specimens can be inserted after molding as is or pierced to promulgate crack growth. In between cycle hold points of the test, crack formation and growth are recorded. Once the test is complete, the crack growth report is presented. Here we can determine the crack length at a specific number of cycles or the cycle count at given crack length. To assist users in measuring crack growth, a CCD camera can be optionally installed to capture images during predetermined cycle hold points. Other options for the FT3000 include gas purging and humidity control for the test chamber, specialized grips, piercing tools, sample cutting dies, precision scales, and custom molds. Additionally, the electric linear drive motor can be optionally programmed to execute customer-designed non-sinusoidal waveforms and customized test sequences, allowing test parameters to be modified to any individual application. Through fatigue to failure and DeMattia testing, the FT3000 provides an effective way of simulating the life cycle of a material. Contact us to learn more.